Understanding Bolt of Lightning, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an electrifying topic, the phrase, bolt of lightning. This expression is not only vivid but also quite common in English. So, let's illuminate what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Bolt of lightning is a compound noun, where bolt refers to a sudden, fast-moving electric discharge in the sky, and lightning is the natural electrical phenomenon characterized by a bright flash of light. When combined, bolt of lightning describes a specific instance of lightning, typically one that is strikingly visible and fast. Beyond its literal meaning, a bolt of lightning often symbolizes something sudden, unexpected, and powerful. For example, in literature and everyday speech, this phrase can describe a sudden idea or realization, much like a sudden and powerful strike of lightning in a storm. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Her idea came to her like a bolt of lightning, completely out of the blue. 2. The news struck him like a bolt of lightning, leaving him stunned. 3. Seeing her after so many years felt like a bolt of lightning, reigniting old feelings. Sometimes, you might hear variations like lightning bolt or thunderbolt. While these phrases are similar, thunderbolt can sometimes imply more noise or impact, as thunder is the sound aspect of a storm. And that's a wrap on bolt of lightning. Remember, this phrase is a great tool to describe something sudden and powerful, whether it's in nature or a metaphor in speech. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you can now confidently use this phrase in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the fascinating world of English phrases.